How to handle a repetitive task with ease using macro in Microsoft Word. If your task is to arrange words and figures in a table each day, then you can automate this repetitive task using Microsoft Word. The macros command can be found on the View and the Developer tabs. If your Developer tab is hidden, go to File, click the Option command. From the Option dialog box, navigate to Custom ribbon and tick the Developer tab if it is not ticked. Then click OK. For this tutorial, let's use the View tab. On the View tab, click the Macros command. From the list, select Record Macros. When the Record Macros dialog box appears, give the macro a name. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. Now choose whether to use a button or a keyboard shortcut. For this tutorial, a button will be okay. You can give a little description to the macros and click the button. When the Word option dialog box appears, select the macro button you created and click Add to add it to the Quick Access toolbar. You can also hit the Remove button to remove unwanted button or commands. Then click OK. The button appears on the Quick Access toolbar and your cursor changes to arrow and a cassette tape attached to the base. From this moment onwards, everything we do in Microsoft Word will be recorded. Click and drag to select the data you want to enter in the table. On the Insert tab, select Table from the list. Click Convert Text to Table. When the Convert Text to Table dialog box appears, the number of columns and rows has already been captured automatically based on the data selected. Since our data is separated by commas, let's leave it on commas and hit OK. Instantly, the data jumps into the table without you spending much time and effort to enter them. We can now go back to the View tab and select Macros and click Stop Recording. Now select the new data you want to apply the macros command to. Hit the macros button and instantly the steps are repeated. These steps can be applied again and again with just a click of a button. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification and comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more.